Let me show you how to use a proper vector eraser tool in Affinity. It's not another workaround video, it's a proper vector eraser just added in version 3.2. So the first thing to check is, are you already updated to version 3.2 from April? If you already did your updates, you should see this new tool here in the tool panel in the vector persona. Vector eraser will be hidden below the vector blob brush tool, so just click and hold, select vector eraser brush. At the top we can set up a rounded tip or the squarish tip for this brush. There's also a slider for a size. And importantly to detail, we need to select the vector that we want to erase from. So we cannot just erase straight away. If I use the tool right now, nothing happened. So I select the vector that I want to erase from, then select this vector eraser. And here it is. We managed to erase this part. What if I want to erase the ear now? Nothing happened. Why? Because it's not selected. So I need to select this part and then I can erase here. No problem. And the best part is we are getting a proper vector curves, vector shapes out of the erasing. So it's not a workaround like before, it's a proper vector eraser tool now finally available. It's here in the tool panel. Double check that you are in the vector mode and you are updated to version 3.2. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.